The man who murdered his family deserves to die.
Governor, I regret it! Don't kill me!
Helen, if life ever gave us a second chance, I would never have left you alone that night. 5 years have passed. Are you and the baby okay in heaven?
You work every day. Look, your clothes are torn. I'll sew you new ones.
Helen, our baby will be born soon. I have a gift for them.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
There's urgent work at the docks tonight. I might not come back.
It's dark outside. Maybe don't go?
Don't worry, it's fine.
You are? My husband's drunk. He's trying to kill me. Please let me in, okay?
Cathy!
Come in! What are you doing? Let me in! Let me in!
Cathy, you butch! With that big belly out looking for men, I'll beat you to death!
Who are you? I don't know you. Stay back!
Don't run! Stephen, where are you? Stop right there!
Someone help! Help!
Stop!
Stephen!
Greetings, Mr. Ashford! Stephen, how long will you keep this up?
Accept Helen, nor I won't return.
Our family has had only one son per generation. The doctor said that girl, Helen, may struggle to conceive.
Then rest assured, she is already pregnant.
Moreover, Sir Stephen, Helen is in trouble.
What?
This! Helen! 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 Helen!
Helen, if I had stayed that night, would you have avoided such a tragic fate? It's all my fault.
Daddy!
On the 7th day after Helen's death, I found a newborn, land and baby. I'm certain Helen's spirit sent this child to me.
Dad, I want Western food.
Okay.
Mom! Mom, this seems fun. Bun! Bun! So yummy! Mom, stay here after eating. I'll go back for more food.
I heard this woman fell off a cliff while pregnant. Damaged her brain.
Yeah, she's lucky to be alive. But what a pity for the baby girl.
Where's your fortune?
Born a beggar, begging everywhere to support her mother.
Man, wish you a fortune. Who are you calling, man? Stinky beggar, get lost. Rich man, I can get more food from Mother now.
You brat! Finally found you! Dare steal my stuff!
Sir, are you mistaken?
I'd recognize you even if you were ashes! I'm going to teach you a lesson! Who dares to interfere with me?
Dare act up before the governor? You're dead!
Governor! I didn't recognize you! I was blind!
Have you no shame? Bullying a child?
I was just scaring her. Didn't really hit her. She stole my bun first.
Please, go to the police! Sir, I didn't! That bun fell on the ground. I only picked it up. I was wrong. Don't send me to the police station.
Over a single bun.
She's kneeling and apologizing. You're even. Now get lost. Yes.
Kid, where are your parents?
I have no father.
Governor, her name is Lily. A pitiful child. Had no father at birth. Her mother is simple-minded and in poor health. That bun really was picked up by her. She didn't steal. She didn't eat a bite. Gave it all to her mother.
Where is your mother?
She's over there. Dad, I'm hungry. I want pizza.
Okay. Give her some money and food, and buy her shoes. Let's go. Take this. Don't lose it. How about I buy you some pizza?
I have buns. That's happiness enough. Buns. Buzz. Buzz. Bun. Steven. 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 Stop.
What happened? Someone was hit. What's going on?
So pitiful. Mom! Dad, focus on me.
What's wrong? I suddenly feel uneasy.
Maddison, let's eat quickly and go back.
Mom! Can anyone please help us? Please! Hey, no! Help us! Help us! Please! Please! Save my mom! I'm begging you!
Does anyone have a car to help this child take her mother to the hospital?
Dad, let's go!
Okay. Make way. Rickshaw's here. Get up quickly. Help her into the rickshaw.
Maddison, is the pizza good?
She's badly hurt. Needs surgery now. Go pay the bill.
I have money. A gentleman gave it to me. I'll give it all to you. Where's my money? I lost it on the street. What should I do? I'll go find it.
Lily, going back is useless. Money was picked up by others long ago.
In her condition, she won't last long. Saving her is urgent. I'll take her in first. But you must raise the money quickly. The hospital has its rules.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor. Mom, don't worry. I'll get the money.
Steven? Maddison, you're back.
Cathy.
Steven, the master asks you to see him in the study. Maddison, did you have fun with the governor today?
Helen, today is your 7th day memorial. You sent this child to my side, right?
Helen, since you're dead anyway,
Why not leave this immense wealth to my daughter? No one knows the heir of the governor's residence is actually my daughter. Maddison, even if I can never acknowledge you in this lifetime, I'll still make you the most revered princess in the world.
Who told you to touch my thing? Helen's been dead so long. You still can't forget her. Do you plan never to have children? Never to marry?
I have a child. Maddison is the hope Helen left me.
But Maddison is not an Ashford. You want to raise her. I have no objection, but our family cannot be inherited by an outsider.
Our family had an heir. You refused to accept them. I can marry. On the condition that Helen comes back to life. Only she can bear my heirs.
You!
Governor, there's a 5-year-old girl asking for you.
Please, let me see the governor. Move aside. I asked many people to find this place.
Where did this beggar come from?
Please, my mom is dying. Only the governor can save her.
You?
What are you doing?
Sir, please, give me some money. My mom was hit by a car. She needs medical fees. Dad, didn't you give her money before? Why is she begging again? I lost that money on the street. Sir, I won't take money for nothing. I can work for you. I can do any rough work. Please save my mom.
Get up. Later, give her some more money.
Yes. Thanks, Governor. Dad, why are you so nice to this beggar?
Are you jealous? And shall I tell you a story?
Okay.
Let's go. Off we go.
It's so nice to have a dad.
Come with me. Wait here. Dare compete with Maddison for favor? I'll make you regret it.
The woman in the photo looks like Mom.
What are you doing?
Maddison, read for yourself. Be good.
Damn! You broke the frame!
I didn't mean to. I'll punish you.
What are you doing?
Governor, this girl broke Madam's photo.
It was an accident.
Governor, liars lie well. This child's origins are unknown. We must be wary.
I truly didn't lie. My mother was hit. She's badly hurt. She's at St. Charles Hospital. You can check. Her name is Helen Ashford.
What did you say? Say it again. What is her name?
My mom is Helen Ashford.
Sir, Madame fell from such a high cliff. How could she still be alive? She must have come prepared. Tell us, who told you to come here? Damn! I wondered what you were looking for earlier. Turns out you were stealing. Governor, look!
I didn't steal anything.
Then how did this get on you?
Sir, please believe me. I really don't know.
Sir, Madam was so kind back then that she invited a wolf in. No, you can't repeat that mistake.
Shut up.
My wife is not for you to criticize.
Yes.
Sir, please! My mom was really hit by a car. Please save her!
So young, yet not a word of truth. Don't come to me again.
I'm not lying. Why won't you believe me?
Still spouting nonsense? If you don't leave, I'll have you arrested.
I don't want to be arrested. Mom is waiting for me.
Why does this girl look so much like Stephen as a child?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Master! Master, are you okay? It was all that girl's doing. I'll have this cleaned up immediately.
Did you see that? That child looked just like Stephen when he was little.
Yes. She's the little girl who came looking for Stephen.
Could she be Stephen's illegitimate child?
It's possible. Sir, the hospital recently has a new technique. Blood tests for kinship.
Then go arrange the test!
Yes, sir.
Mom! You're late!
Lily? What happened to your hands?
I'm fine, but I didn't get the money. I can't pay for your treatment. Lily, smile. Smile. Just like me. I won't cry. I'll smile. Everything will get better. Mom will get better too. Mom.
Cathy, you're brilliant! Placing the bracelet on the little beggar to kill any chance of her coming back. This governor's residence is no place for beggars.
Sir!
You stole the bracelet and framed Lily?
No, Governor! It was that beggar! She faked pity to gain sympathy. I did it for your sake!
I abhor those with evil hearts. I should only punish you, but for Maddison's sake. I'll take your life.
No!
You staying by her side will only corrupt her.
Dad! Maddison.
Dad, what's happening? Why is Cathy kneeling?
I made a mistake. Mr. Ashford is punishing me. Miss, I'm fine.
Maddison, I have to go out for a while. Go back and sleep by yourself, okay?
Come back early, Dad.
Go on. I'll settle this when I return.
Child, your mother's lungs are injured. Without surgery, she may not survive. Have you raised enough money?
Doctor, please save my mother first. I'll pay you back later.
Little girl, this afternoon, I solicited donations from my colleagues. For the rest, you must find yourself.
Thank you, Doctor.
Get up. Wish your mother a speedy recovery.
Mom! Lily, don't cry. Smile. Smile. I'll smile. I can't smile. What should I do, Mom?
Is there a little girl's mother who was hit by a car?
Yes, there is one. A mother named Helen Ashford.
Helen? That little girl wasn't lying. But many people share the same name.
Which ward are they in?
Portlay.
No. Mom said kids who steal money aren't good kids. I can't do that.
You brat! You dare steal money! Who dares steal my brother's money?
I didn't.
Stop!
Don't bully Lily.
A child who steals must have unfit parents. Beat her!
Mom, I didn't steal. Don't hit my mother.
You thief! A thief doesn't deserve a hospital bed!
Get out of here!
Get out!
I didn't steal.
Who dares touch them? Governor, that girl stole my money.
Sir, I didn't steal it. I wanted to save my mother, but I was told children who steal aren't good kids. I have no father. I can't lose my mother now.
Lily, be good.
Please save my mother.
Making accusations without proof. Take them out.
Yes! Move! Move! Sir, have mercy! Move! Governor, have mercy!
Governor?
Why does she feel so familiar?
Governor, bad news! Maddison is in trouble. She's been taken to the hospital.
What did you say? Arrange surgery for her mother.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Mother, we have hope.
Get up. I'll go find a doctor to arrange your mother's surgery.
Please make way! Please make way! Dad,
Maddison, are you hurt?
it's Cathy who's injured. I missed a step on the stairs. She caught me. She's badly hurt. Dad, please get Director to see Cathy right away. Mom, you'll be fine. What's wrong, miss?
The patient is hemorrhaging. Her life is in danger. Only the director can save your mother. What? The director is busy.
He's tied up. Room 203 is an important patient. Hey, where are you going?
Easy.
Your arm is so badly injured. Why did you wait until now?
I'm just a servant. Getting hurt for my lady is to be expected. I'm in no position to complain. Besides, Maddison was sent to the governor by his wife in Heavens. Mrs. Ashford would surely want Maddison safe and well.
Considering you've always protected Maddison, I can spare your life. But if you err again...
Thank you, sir. From now on, I won't mess up again.
Maddison, come.
Lie down first. I'll examine you again.
Thank you, Doctor. Oh, it's you again.
Director, please! Save my mom! She's hemorrhaging from surgery!
Hemorrhaging! Hurry, go!
Stop! Director, there should be an order to treat patients. Besides, the governor ordered you to treat me.
Please! My mother really can't wait!
I can't wait either.
If you need a doctor, go find your father. I wish I could find my dad, but I don't have a father.
You have no father? What's that to us? Guards! Guards! Roll this brat out. If you want treatment, wait for the director. Quick! Come on, move!
Let go! I'm going to find the governor.
Don't make me hit you! Let me see the governor! Governor!
What are you doing?
Mr. Ashford!
Mr. Ashford. If I see you hurt a child again, I'll cripple your hand. Yes.
Please, let the director save my mother. My mother is bleeding badly.
Director, go save her. Okay, let's go. Lily, I misunderstood you before at my house. I apologize to you. Don't worry. Your mother will definitely be fine. I'll wait here with you for her.
Dad, I know I was wrong. I shouldn't have intruded on the director's time. Cathy got hurt for me. I was too worried.
The surgery went well. The patient is stable.
Really? My mother is okay?
Once post-op care is done, your mother can come out.
Thank you.
Mr. Ashford, thank you for saving my mother.
Get up.
I saved your mother, but I can no longer save the mother of my child.
Dad, her mother is fine. Let's go.
If anything happens, come straight to my residence. Let's go.
Dad, let's go.
Okay.
Helen! She's alive!
Just you two?
Cathy went out on an errand.
I mean Lily. That little girl, Lily.
Yes.
See for yourself. She is your daughter. Our family has an heir.
How is that possible? I've only ever had Helen. She's been dead for 5 years. How could I have a child?
Actually, I never found her body back then. I was just afraid you wouldn't let it go. So I told a lie.
What did you say?
Why does she feel so familiar?
What's her name?
My mother is Helen Ashford.
The mother's name is Helen Ashford. Could it be? Helen is still alive.
So delicious. Mom.
Lily, eat.
Eat buns. Mom, you recovered so quickly because of the governor. I wonder if We'll see him again.
Governor?
Lily, by order of the governor, I'll take you two to the governor's residence.
Isn't that the governor? Governor! Let go! Let go of Lily! Let go!
You bet. Lucky for you. A cliff that high didn't kill you. Since you're so eager to live, then I'll let you live properly. Put her in the sack.
Where is the patient?
They've been discharged, picked up by family.
How is that possible? Helen doesn't have any other relatives.
Stop right there.
Who are you?
Sir, we're from out of town. My brother just arrived and has diarrhea. It's my first time at this hospital, so I've taken a wrong turn.
What's in there?
Oh, sir, it's a pig. A gift for relatives.
Open it.
Sir, the pig is smelly and dirty. This is a hospital, should be clean and hygienic, right?
I said, open it.
The hospital is crowded. Split up and act separately.
Yes.
Cathy is thoughtful.
Lock down the city. Spare no expense. Find my wife and daughter. Yes. Yes! This task is tricky. There's still a burden next door.
Mr. Grant, look.
Mr. Zouch's 9th concubine recently ran away. She looked somewhat similar to that woman. No need to waste it. Let's go!
Let me go! What are you doing?
Go!
Let go! What are you doing? Who are you? Let go of me! Where's my mother? Give me my mother back!
Child, don't panic. Your mother will be back soon.
He's lying. My mother must be being bullied. I have to save her. Governor. Mother,
Don't run.
wait for me. I'll find the governor to rescue you.
Chloe, you have everything you need with me. Why did you run? Come, let's make up for the wedding night.
Open up! Open up! Governor! I need to see him!
He's not home.
What is that little beggar doing?
What's going on? Did Stephen return?
No, it's that little beggar. Lily.
Quick! Bring her back!
Have you seen a little girl? About this tall with braids?
No.
Mr. Ashford!
What's wrong?
A little girl was looking for you.
It's Lily. Let's go.
Are you crazy? I need to save Mom! Where are you, Mr. Ashford? Mr. Ashford!
Lily! Lily!
Sir! Quick, save my mom!
Where is your mom?
483 Seaview Avenue.
Oh, Lily!
What are you doing?
Behave! Please, pretty girl.
No,
I'm coming.
no. 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 No.
Which bastard? Mr. Ashford.
Helen, it's really you.
Stay away.
Governor! Governor! Governor!
Baby, be good and keep Mom company at home. Daddy will be back very soon.
Helen. I'm Stephen. I came for you.
Sir, do you know my mother?
Of course. Your mother is my wife. And you are my daughter.
Dad? Are you really my father? Then why didn't you come to find us?
I'm sorry. It was my fault. Rest assured, I won't let you suffer any more wrongs.
Don't cry.
Come home with me, okay?
Do I really have a father?
They're coming! Stephen is bringing them back. Where are they?
Oh, look.
Lily! My good granddaughter. I knew it.
Listen carefully. They are my wife and my daughter.
Hello, madam. Hello, miss.
You bitch! With your big belly, yet out looking for men, I'll beat you to death!